People today are thinking how to win in the career game. We have been told in the past was to stay in school and get a degree and work for a great job and then retire. It was the dream around 30 years ago, and those that did were expected. Some made it, and some retired broke at age 65. 95% have no assets. Why? Because it changes. Changes at home and change particularly at work. The world is full of changes, and today is more consistent. We as entrepreneurs recognize that. You can be a super entrepreneur and get people to invest in your ideas and then go to Boston and Wall Street and get other people's money and take your chance. Some people do it and are successful, and a lot of people get broke at the end of their lives. Another opportunity with changes. You can be a professional and become a doctor, a lawyer, an accountant, a real estate marketer, and you do the work for yourself most of the time. Your expertise is very helpful if that is what you want to do. Smart people realize today, or eventually will learn when their business world changes, and then start to realize, I need a business for myself. The real story is just that when you work at home for your own business, that you are part of a $1 trillion business. The person who works at home is averaging over $63,000 per year, way above the normal income. People who work at home can relax on their own schedule and get the job done. No dressing up every day, no gas to get to work, no politics, just you and how you make it happen for yourself. Let's make a deal. I'm going to show you a telemarketing program that you can do at home and make $225 per day with no selling, just inviting people to come to a vacation club and watch a 90-minute presentation. And they receive 2 round-trip airfares and 2 night accommodations to Cancun or Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, Las Vegas, Nevada, or Orlando, Florida, or 3, 4, or 7-night cruise on select itineraries, 5 days, 4 nights Mexican getaway, or 7-night hotel accommodations at one of the 23 destinations, 2 airline tickets to any destination in the continental United States. Just invite and call people in each market that we give you with leads, script, and approach. Work anytime to make your deals, and $75 per couple, and with 6 hours, you will do an average of at least 3 per day. It is all up to you to get you started at a realistic and proven at-home business. This approach has been around for years, but was based in a telemarketing office. We have found that if you get someone who is dedicated for their purpose, it works great. The decision is yours. You can work this anytime that you'd like. Full-time, part-time, Saturday only, it does not matter. We give you the market that is targeted, the leads, the script, and the forms, and all you have to do is call people. You need a computer and a telephone, and you are in business. You're not selling, you are inviting and giving away expensive vacations, and all they do is go for 90 minutes and pay the taxes on the vacation. That's it. We join several companies to invite people to come to their vacation clubs around the country. This business goes on forever. Relax and start to enjoy it. This is a proven marketing approach that has been around for the past 30 years, and now you are a part of it. You know what is really great? You can be anywhere and still do your business with a computer and a phone online. Even at the beach, it is a wonderful time to work for yourself with your computer. You can get started today. We do not ask for ridiculous fees. We charge one cost of $129 to cover your expenses and the leads, and that is it. You make $75 on each couple that goes to the meeting for 90 minutes, and your pay is next Friday directly to your debit card or bank account. That's it. Independent and work at home and make great money. Write a note to us and we will get you started where you can actually start today. Independence is the key to life. Write to paulmajor@gmail.com for your opportunity.